So hi everyone, welcome. Today, today is not a slate. It is not a slate aid. Okay, today we're going to be doing something different. I'm not gonna say different because y'all saw one last Sunday. We're going to be doing a product slate. Okay, so today's product is this. Mm, 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 mm. How cute is that? Oh, look, I'm about to drop it anyway. But before we get started, press that little subscribe button, ring that bell so you won't miss another video. Okay? So, so let me ask y'all something. Question. Okay? I mean, how many of you use baking soda? I mean, baking soda, for me, baking soda is used for a lot of things, okay? I'm old school. It's used for a lot of things, okay? I mean, as long as I was growing up, and left home and had my own family and things like that, grandma, aunt, my mama, everyone's always put baking soda in the refrigerator. That's to keep your refrigerator fresh, to keep it fresh, so other scents of the foods and everything that you have in there won't mingle with one another. Okay, number one. Number two, do you know baking soda is good for a stomach ache? You just put a tablespoon of baking soda and some tap water, mix it up, drink it. It soothes your stomach. And I know some of you like, well, like I say, I'm old school. It does work because before we have all these other things that are out, Pepto, Bismol, all kind of acid this, acid that, and everything. People use what they had back in the day. People use what they had back in the day, and it does work. I mean, when I was coming up, you took baking soda, you know, brushed your teeth with it. Brush your teeth. That was to keep your teeth clean and white, things like that. Or you took the baking soda and put it on, maybe a spot on your clothes to get a stain out of your clothes. Baking soda is used for a variety of things. And, in case you didn't know, that's a little FYI for you. If you're not using it, with those things I've just mentioned, I mean, you might want to try it. You might want to try it. Okay? So, with that being said, a girlfriend of mine, she had, introduced me to a product. And of course, to me, when it comes to products, let me tell you something. I tried things too, but then again, everything doesn't fit everyone's face. Their skin, I'm not going to say face, I'm going to say your skin. Everything doesn't, it doesn't work with everyone's skin. So, I mean, when she brought me this, I was like, okay, let me see, because, I've tried a lot of things over the years, and some things I have tried, on my skin, on my face, or what have you, it was more or less, I've got rashes, I've got hives. It was just a mess, a mess. When I say that, I do mean a mess. But this product right here, I'm gonna say I've been using it for 2 months, 2 months and a half, almost 3, and I have to truly say, this is something new. Even though after I had looked at, the bottle, I was like, okay, really, like, wait, okay, wait, because I've used this, for the other things and carrying on, but this product is baking soda pore cleaner. It's by a company called Epielle. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Of course, I'll be leaving it, right there so you can see. But I mean, this is my first time hearing of it. I know that, that I know they're out. Other people may have heard it, used it, or what have you. But for me, this is my first time. But this is what this is looking like. It's a baking soda pore cleaner. It naturally cleans, exfoliates, and purifies pores. It is also oil free, and I have to say, that this is. I'm gonna be using this for the rest of this year. The rest of this year. Okay, I am going to be using this for the rest of this year. This really cleans your pores. Gets that good scrub. I'm not gonna say it has this tingly feeling, but it just has this soothing, like it's just getting all up in there. You clean your face, and I'm gonna say for me, it is good for people that wear, that full face. I mean, and the foundation, the contour, the powder, all that, the full face of makeup. I mean, I have a full face, but it's not foundation. Okay, it's a good scrubbing. It's gonna get up in there. It's gonna get out your pores. It will not be left in there. Your pores will be very, and I do mean very, very clean. Very clean. They have a variety of products. Let me open this because for me, I'm not going to say it just necessarily completely smells like baking soda because, of course, there's other things in it. But it does. You can smell the baking soda with this. Let me see. I can get it to. The poor thing don't even want to pump out. It doesn't want to pump out. But it's off white. It looks a little creamy. And I'm going to say it is. It is it's thick. Dropping on my phone. Okay. It is very thick. You can see that. It is thick. But within there, they have these little crystals, like beads and stuff that it moisturizes your skin. And I also have their deep pore charcoal cleaner. They say you can use this on a daily basis. I mean, this is awesome. This is awesome. I clean my face with the baking soda scrub. Well, baking soda pore cleaner. I mean, it's like a scrub to me. And then maybe I'll alternate and I'll do the charcoal wash. Or they also have the facial essential mask, the activated charcoal. You can do the masks. Sometimes I do those. Okay. Sometimes I do these. And with the masses, I'm going to say with the masses, it's more or less after you take it off, it's more of a less of a, a tightening of the skin. It's awesome. It is awesome. It is awesome. Okay. I mean, I have she introduced me to that. I have a lot of good, look, like I said, I try a lot of things, but this, I'm going to say if you haven't tried it. You can find it on the site. I also know Amazon sells it. I'm going to try and list some places you can purchase it from because I'm into anything like me. I like to be very budget friendly. Budget friendly. I mean, there's a lot of products. I don't like to pay the big high prices. Okay? Because I need to see if it's going to work. Because if I'm paying $25 or something for a product and then get there and it affects my skin, that's $25 down the drain. And on top of that, it's going to cost me more than $25 to see the doctor to clear it up. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this review. Try it. I mean, tag me on my Instagram. Let me know if you tried. How did you like it or what have you? Okay? So leave me a thumbs up, leave me any comments, and I'll see you in my next video. This is just awesome. It is awesome. Baking soda pore cleaner. You can't go wrong. Or the deep pore, the charcoal activated. You can't go wrong with these. These are the bomb. They are the bomb. Okay? So I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.